Hello, good morning, and welcome to all the students in the online class of mathematics. Students, we are studying differentiation. So come on to some more questions. See, first question: if x is equals to 3 sine t minus sine 3t and y is equals to 3 cos t minus cos 3t, then find the value of d2y by dx square at t is equal to pi by 3. So see, what is given? X is equals to 3 sine t minus sine 3t. So first differentiate x with respect to t. You may write here differentiate with respect to t. With respect to t. So differentiation of sine t should be cos t and sine 3t. Differentiation of sine 3t is cos 3t and differentiation of 3t will be 3. So differentiation of x with respect to t will be 3 cos t minus 3 cos 3t. Similarly, differentiate y. Y is given 3 cos t minus cos 3t. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiation of cos t is sine minus sine. So dy by dt should be minus 3 sine 3t and differentiation of cos 3t should be minus sine 3t and differentiation of 3t will be 3. So minus and minus together becomes positive. So finally it should be 3 sine 3t. This is value of dy by dt, means differentiation of y. Divide them. We have to find first dy by dx. So dy by dx should be written as dy by dt upon dx by dt. Dy by dt, which is, you have just calculated, 3 sine 3t minus 3 sine t, and differentiation of x will be 3 cos t minus 3 cos 3t. Here we should take 3 as common. See, after taking 3 as common, then it should be 3 sine 3t minus sine t upon, take 3 common in denominator also, cos t minus cos 3t. So 3 and 3 should be cancelled. How much left? Dy by dx is now equals to sine 3t minus sine t upon cos t minus cos 3t. Apply the formula sine c minus sine d, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3t plus t by 2, that should be 4t by 2, which is 2t, into sine c minus d, 2t by 2, that is t. This formula is already you have studied in 11. Cos c minus cos d, this is expanded according to that formula. 2 sine c plus d by 2 means 2t into sine d minus c by 2, 3t minus t, that is 2t by 2 becomes t. So 2 and sine t should be cancelled. Finally it is cot 2t, cos by sine, that is cot. Now differentiate it again with respect to x. Mark here, x and y be differentiated with respect to t, but here we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x will be d2y by dx square minus cot, differentiation of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So it is should be minus cosec square 2t. Again differentiation of 2t will be 2 and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So minus 2 cosec square 2t dt by dx. Come on to earlier dx by dt. We have dx by dt is 3 cos t minus 3 cos 3t. So dt by dx is reciprocal of this one. So reciprocal, take their reciprocal. All terms come to the denominator, that should be 3 cos t minus 3 cos t. Now write down the value whatever which you have to obtain. You have to find d2y by dx square at t is equal to pi by 3. So put t is equals to pi by 3. So this reduces to 2 cos square 2 pi by 3 minus 3 cos pi by 3 minus 3 cos pi by 3. 3 and 3 should cancel, becomes pi. Write down the value from trigonometrical table. Minus 2 cos 2 by root 3. This is value of cosec pi 2 pi by 3. Cosec 2 pi by 3 is 2 by root 3. Its square is 2 by root 3 square upon cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 and cos pi is minus 1. So this becomes plus 1. Simplify it. So minus 2, that should be 4 by 3 after squaring, and this becomes 3 by 2. So 2 comes to numerator 3 into 3. Simplify, you will get 2 into 4 into 2, that is 16, minus 16, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So minus 16 upon 27 is your result. Now see next question. The next question is quite simple. If x is equal to a theta minus sine theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, then find d2y by dx square at pi by 2, means theta is equals to pi by 2. On the same pattern, given x is equal to a into theta minus sine theta, differentiate it with respect to theta, then dx by d theta, differentiation of theta is 1 and sine theta is cos theta. A is already in product, so a into 1 minus cos theta. Similarly, y is given a into 1 plus cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta. So we have differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of cos theta will be minus sine theta. So finally dy by d theta is minus a sine theta. Like previous one, calculate dy by dx, which should be written as dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. Dy by d theta is minus a sine theta and dx upon d theta will be a1 minus cos theta. A and a should cancel here, so cancel them. Minus sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta is left. Now simplify it. Apply the formula for 2 theta. You already know sine 2 theta, sine 2x. Sine 2x is 2 sine x into cos x. So put 2x is equal to theta, then it should be 2 sine theta into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is formula. 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Similarly, 1 minus cos theta will be 2 sine square theta by 2. Simplify. See, 2 and 2 should cancel. 1 sine theta by 2 should also cancel from denominator. How much left? Cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2, which is cot theta by 2, and minus is already here. So now differentiate, right here, differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Then we have d2y by dx square. Differentiation of cot theta minus cosec square theta. 1 minus is already here. So minus and minus together becomes plus. Cosec square theta by 2, and differentiation of theta by 2 is 1 by 2 and theta is d theta by dx. 1 by 2 is already here. Cosec square theta be same as here. D theta by dx. Take the reciprocal of dx by d theta, which you have already obtained. So these all come to the all terms comes to the denominator. So d theta by dx from here will be cosec square theta by 2 upon a into 1 minus cos theta. d2y by dx square further should be written as 1 upon 2 into a, that is 1 upon 2a because it is constant. Cosec square theta by 2, and you have just obtained 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Again this 2 and 2 should multiply 1 upon 4a, and sin square theta by 2 in numerator becomes cosec square. Already cosec square is here. So they all together becomes cosec to the power 4 theta by 2. That is in simplest form. And now put theta is equal to pi by 2. Cosec becomes this theta becomes pi by 4. So cosec to the power 4 pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4 is root 2. So root 2 to the power 4, which becomes 4, and this 4 and 4 should cancel, becomes 1 by a. This is your result. See another question. If y is equal to e to the power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, then prove that d2y by dx square is equal to dy upon dx whole square. See what is given. E to the power y into x to the power x plus 1 is equal to 1. Transfer this x plus 1 into right side. So e to the power y is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. Children, you know, eliminate e. So if we write e to the power y as y, then right side becomes log. Either you may write this one directly, or taking log both sides, log e becomes 1. So y is equal to log 1 upon x plus 1. Apply log property. Y is equal to log 1 minus log x plus 1. Again log 1 is 0. So finally becomes y is equal to minus log x plus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so it becomes minus 1 by x plus 1. Now squaring both sides, because you have to find dy by dx whole square, squaring both sides, so it becomes minus becomes positive 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Again differentiate this one with respect to x. So d2y by dx square, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. So this becomes plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. You already know differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this becomes plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square, which should be equals to dy upon dx whole square. That will give your result. See another question. So students, see the next question. If y is equals to e to the power x into sin x plus cos x, then prove that d2y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. See what is given. Y is equals to e to the power x into sin x plus cos x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx, apply the product rule here, u into v. So u into differentiation of v. So differentiation of sin x will be cos x and cos x will be minus sin x. So u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power x. So in both terms, take e to the power x common. So e to the power x should taken as common. See how much left. Cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus cos x. Minus sin x and plus sin x should cancel here. Cos x plus cos x will be 2 cos x into ex. So dy by dx will be 2 e to the power x cos x. Again differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d2y by dx, apply again the product rule e to the power x cos x. So 2 is already remains because it is constant. U into differentiation of cos x, which should be minus sin x. So u into differentiation of v plus v, that is cos x, into differentiation of e to the power x, which is again e to the power x. Again take e to the power x common. How much left? Minus sin x plus cos x, or cos x minus sin x. Now come on to the question what you have to prove, which is in LHS. LHS is d2y by dx square minus 2dy by dx plus 2y. Write down their values. d2y by dx square, which is 2 e to the power x into cos x minus sin x, minus 2 dy by dx. dy by dx is 2 e to the power x into cos x, right? And plus 2y. Y means what is given? E to the power x into sin x plus cos x. So write down the value of 2y. Now in all the three terms, take 2 to the power 2 into e to the power x as common. So take it out, 2 e to the power x. See what left here? Cos x minus sin x. Here it should be minus 2 cos x, because 2 e to the power x is gone to common portion. Here sin x plus cos x. See, some terms should cancel. Minus sin x plus sin x cancels here, and cos x plus cos x, that should be 2 cos x, and minus 2 cos x also cancel. Result is 0. Cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x, and minus 2 cos x, that becomes 0. So 0 multiplied by 2 to the power ex, 2 into e to the power x, 2 into e to the power x into 0 becomes 0, which is your RHS. See one more question. If y is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, then prove that y plus d2y by dx square is equals d2y by dx square is equals to 0. See what is given. Y is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2. Differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. You may write here differentiate with respect to x. Similarly, differentiate with respect to x again. So differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x, and sin x is cos x. So minus 2 sin x minus 3 cos x, that is d2y by dx square. Now come on to LHS. Our LHS is y plus d2y by dx square. Y plus d2y by dx square. Write down the value. What is y? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, plus d2y by dx square. So open the bracket, plus and minus becomes minus. So minus 2 sin x minus 3 cos x. 2 sin x minus 2 sin x should cancel. Similarly, 3 cos x minus 3 cos x should also cancel. The result is 0. So cancel them. Result is 0. So in this way we shall prove such type of problems. In my next class tomorrow we shall discuss some more problems of this type. Till then, okay.